Hello, and welcome to Notary Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, today I am leaving another notary tip. Today's tip is make sure you give your client a receipt. Some people are of the mindset that you don't have to give a receipt. That's not true. Some clients may not want a receipt, but you always want to offer one. Even from an IRS perspective, we deal with a lot of cash or not cash necessarily, but quick transactions. So we want to make sure you have a record of that. You know, if you have electronic payments just constantly going into your account, the IRS wanted a little accounting of that money. So that's one reason why you want to have a receipt, but also for your clients so they know that you are professional. All right, so that looks like when you're writing out the receipt, make sure you sign it at the bottom, okay, representing your company. Make sure you itemize the receipt. How much was travel? How much was it for the witnesses? How many stamps was it? Okay, so make sure you're always very professional and give your clients a receipt. Now, when I first started out, I would get my receipt books from like Walmart, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, something like that, right? But now I ordered them from Amazon, and they actually have my name printed on them. And you can even send an electronic receipt. There's an app called Cash Receipt, and you can look that up. CASHRECIPT, Cash Receipt app. I think it's a gold picture and a gold logo, better. And you can send your clients a receipt that way. You can send an invoice and receipts with Square, but always make sure that your clients know what you're doing, okay? That you're not just taking their money. And even when you go to like a fast food restaurant, like a Wendy's, Burger King, something like that, and they have signs like, if you don't get a receipt, let us know, because that way, you know, it's kind of like it never happened. So people do need a receipt. Sometimes even for tax purposes, they need a receipt. So I just wanted to leave that tip with you today. All right, so today's notary tip is always leave a receipt. Well, on behalf of Notary Life with Kimmy, please check out NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. And if you didn't know, now you know, I wrote a new book on how to price your notary services. Because if you do not know how to price your services, you do not have a business, okay? That's the most important part about our business. It's not always written in stone how much you can charge, or how to make the bill go up, so to speak, or to make more profits when it comes to traveling, providing witnesses. But I cover all of that, plus how to negotiate with signing companies in my new book, Pricing Your Notary Services. It's not that complicated. Check it out at NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. All right, guys, until next time, bye.